Hey, well, good morning, YouTube subscribers. As you can see, we are not in the woods anymore. Yeah, those buildings just go up and up and up and up and up. Sorry, I don't have a tripod today, but I felt like I needed to reach out to the YouTube subscribers, let them know what's going on. I'm currently in New York City doing some work here, and as per the title, hopefully I'll be able to make a thumbnail on some kind of YouTube thumbnail maker on my phone or something, because I forgot a tripod. I don't have my laptop. I'm completely 100% mobile. Yeah. And so yesterday I'm laying here in the hotel room, and all of a sudden these weird noises start coming through, like it sounded like coming down the hall. And what it ended up being was, ironically, I thought it would be much louder and worse, was the fire alarm. I'm currently on the 19th floor of a building, and yeah, that was a new experience for me. So I instantly think I'm about to lose everything, but let's not die over it. So I filled my pockets with, I'm a long way from home, so money, phone charger, phone, sunglasses, room key, just the very basic stuff. Put my boots on and walked out the door, and people were just kind of standing around like they don't know what's going on. So we all head to the stairs. And oh yeah, hold on a second. Let me get my coffee cup. Wait, shameless promotion, not bad. So we all head to the stairwell, and we're like, let's go down the stairs. And so we start going down the stairs. We get about halfway, not even halfway, about 5 floors down. Oh man, God, I look like shit. About 5 floors down, and nobody seems to be alarmed about what's happening. So I happened to pass one of the doors on the 15th floor, I think. No, the 14th floor, and there was a lady in there, like one of the attendants, just working on making beds and stuff. Like, this is nothing. And so I was like, well, screw this. Let's go over there. And I went over there and talked to her, and it's like, what is going on? And is this the real deal? And shouldn't you be going downstairs? She just kind of looked at me, and she didn't really speak a lot of English, but she kind of pointed up at the speaker, and she's like, they're getting ready to say something now, because you can now hear, I guess in these modern hotels, they have like speaker system or PA systems into every single room. And the guy came on, and he barely spoke English. But anyway, he got it across that he was sorry for the inconvenience, and that this was a false alarm. So, okay. So go back to the stairwell, because the elevators aren't on, I don't think anyway. Go back to the stairwell and start walking back up 4 floors and get to my room. Is like, okay. And I'm thinking to myself, well, this was all very nonchalant and unserious. And, you hear stories of people dying in these buildings when they're on fire. So it really got me thinking about, like, vacation time is coming, guys. And people are going to be going to all sorts of different places that have high-rise buildings that they're going to be staying in. And some of the things that you might want to think about, like having a rapid escape bag, something that you have everything in that you could just grab and walk out with. Because, I mean, it only took me about, 30 seconds to put everything on, and another 10 seconds to put my boots on. So it wasn't that bad. But what would you be stuck with if you were on vacation? If you were out in the middle of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? If you were in a place that you're not acclimatized to, like, this is not my, you guys know me, this is not my place. I am an alien in this place. And so having maybe some sort of rapid response bag that you could just grab would be probably something smart. Later on, 20 minutes later, I'm laying in bed watching TV, and they tell me, oh, we're very sorry for the inconvenience about the fire alarm, and we hope you have a great day, that kind of thing. I'm thinking, it's like 20 minutes later, you're still on the PA system. So it's not a shot at the hotel, but clearly people didn't take it seriously. So as preppers, we have to. It's kind of like ingrained in us that we have to take things a little bit more seriously than other people. But I thought I'd share that story with you guys with vacation coming up and people going to different places and maybe being stuck 15 stories up, you know, things like that. All right, guys, until the next time. And sorry for the one cut, but no gear here to make solid videos with. You get what you get today. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.